In today's world, we all need to learn new skills all the time, and this is what I'm trying to do here today. The future of work and skills are hot topics. Everybody's talking about it. Experts say that we are at a turning point where new technologies combined with economic and social change are going to transform the way we work and the world we live in. But most of this debate so far focuses very much on technologies and on its impact on developed countries. We want to bring this debate to the transition and developing countries, our partners in the wider neighbourhood of the European Union. And we want to broaden the focus beyond technology, looking at other trends shaping our societies and our working environments. Things like demographic change, business models, climate change, migration and globalizations. But above all, we want to focus on solutions. Nobody knows what the future holds for any of us, but the important thing is to be ready to face change when it comes. By taking action now, countries can design the policy tools, mechanisms they need to shape the future of their own people, minimize risk and manage transition. I look forward to welcoming you in Torino on the 21st of November at our conference Skills for the Future, Managing Transition. We want to hear your ideas, your experience and your contribution to this important debate.